Hey, welcome back to Dub's Garage. This is the 71 Chevy C10 update. First thing I did when we got it back was I drained the oil out of it just to make sure it was not full of water, and it wasn't. The oil was nice and black, but no water. Okay, just I got some pictures here of the driver's side. This is the manifold, the side that had the broken manifold. What I was planning on doing here was removing the spark plugs, and what I ended up doing was putting some Marvel mystery oil in the cylinders. Here's a shot of that manifold that's broke. They run off into a cattle rut, and it had been washed out deeper by the rain, heavy rains, and broke that manifold off somehow. So anyway, so I ended up pulling the plugs on both sides. I put Marvel mystery oil in the cylinders and just let them soak. And then I ordered a oil pump priming tool and pulled the distributor, and I started running the oil pump priming tool for several days on end. I'd come home in the evenings and run it, drain 2 batteries just running the drill, trying to getting it primed and everything before I borrowed it over. Okay, here's the broken manifold. Pretty bad break there, and then just another shot of the motor. And the valve train was really clean for some reason. I don't understand why that thing was that clean, but I was getting excited about that. But you're getting ready to find out what happened. I think you're going to get a kick out of this. I've been trying to get this 71 Chevy running, and I think it's time to officially throw in the towel here. I walked up to it this morning. I've been running the oil pump primer here the past couple of days, and I can get it to turn to a certain point, and it stopped. And this morning I was kind of messing around with it, and for some reason I shook the engine, or shook the truck, and I saw water coming out of this spark plug hole. Let me see if I can get it to do it again. So, I think I'm done with the 71 until I get the 48 and the 66 and the 79 and the 52 all where we want them. So I'll put some preservative on this thing and help preserve the patina, and we'll have to find a new motor for it.